Hi, this is Carrie from ADI, and today we're going to talk about how to use the 4 ground rules for critique poster in your classroom. This is a 24 by 36 inch poster with the rules be respectful, specific, helpful, and scientific, as well as sentences explaining what those rules mean. It is intended to be placed on the wall in a classroom in order to help serve as a reminder of the norms you have put into place as part of your classroom culture. While this poster can be used in many ADI stages, it's especially helpful to review these rules before the argumentation session and again before peer review. One helpful way to introduce these norms to your class is to have students share or even act out what it looks like when they do follow each rule and what it looks like when they don't. This may go better if they've had a few rounds of argumentation or a peer review session before the rules are introduced. For example, while we hope the conversations are focused on scientific criteria such as investigation design and the best ways to turn their data into evidence, often we'll hear novice students talking about things like handwriting or neatness. This poster is a great way to gently nudge students toward more in-depth, meaningful conversations. So, when you're ready to start building on the quality of student conversations in your classroom, be sure to check out the Ground Rules for Critique poster in order to help students know what that should look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates on ADI.